Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this epic video title animations in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is open your video in CapCut, then go to tags, then just add your tracks. Okay, you can change the font into the one you like, but in here I'm going to use this Hey August tags. Then go to style. I'm going to add a shadow effect. I'm going to choose the black color, and you can adjust the opacity and the blur to your liking. And after that, click on the check icon. You can place the text how you like. I'm going to place it in here. Then click on the text again, go to animation. Under the in category, you can add the blur animation. Okay, just scroll down until you find blur. Okay, this one. I'm going to set it to 0.8 seconds. And also the out animation, I'm going to also choose the blur, this one. So for the end, I'm going to lower it to 0.5 seconds. Now click on the check icon, then add a keyframe at the start of the text, and also the end, and at the end or the second keyframe, I'm going to make the text bigger like this. So it will have this effect like this. And now click on the clip and add these animations. Under the in category, find this Kira Magic animation and adjust the duration to your liking. So just wait. Okay, so after that, you can just adjust the duration of the animations to the one you want. Click on the check icon and just save the video. Now the video will look like this. Okay, it's a little bit laggy, but it's going to be fun when you export the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.